Afsana Awal. Today I will take your English class, and students, today's topic is, just look at the board, handwriting book, page number 33 and 34. Handwriting book, page number 33 and 34. So let's start our class. Look at the board, students. This is page number 33. This page, there are three words actually, and these three words start with Z. So at first, zebra, Z-E-B-R-A, zebra, Z-E-B-R-A, zebra, Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Then zoo, Z-O-O, zoo, Z-O-O, zoo, Z-O-O, zoo. Then this is jeeper, Z-I-P-E-R, jeeper, Z-I-P-E-R, jeeper, Z-I-P-E-R, jeeper. So Z for zebra, zoo and jeeper. Now go to page number 34, and this is the last page for today. At first, follow the instruction. First written here, match and write the name beside the picture. Just look, there are some words here and some pictures are also given here. So at first we have to match the words with the proper picture, and then the next instruction is, just look beside each picture. There are two spaces, and there we have to write the name of the picture for twice. We have to write the picture's name. So at first we have to match the pictures with the words. Asian hen, this is hen. Rose, this is rose. Van, van. Yoke, yoke. Top, top. Net, and this is the picture of net. Rat, vase, this is flower vase. This is pan, and this is pot. Now just look at the first picture. What is this? This is the picture of a van. So we have to write here van for two times, that means twice. V-A-N, van. V-A-N, van. Then the next picture, this is hen, H-E-N, hen. Then top, T-O-P, top. Then this is rose, R-O-S-E, rose. Net, N-E-T, net. Yoke, Y-O-L-K, yoke. V-A-S-E, vase. And this is pot, P-O-T, pot. This is rat, R-A-T, rat. And the last one is pan, P-A-N, pan. So this is page number 34. That means we have matched the right words with the right picture, and also we have to write the name of the given picture. Students, that's all for today. See you in the next class, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.